Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Robinhood account number, whether you need it for transfers or verification. This is only takes a few steps. First, open the Robinhood app and log in to your account. On the home page, tap the person icon in the bottom right corner to open your account menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see account number listed. It will start with RHS followed by your unique number. Another way to find it is by tapping Settings at the top. Then, select Account Information. Here, you'll also see your Robinhood account number displayed. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly locate your Robinhood account number. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.